StrenoGoods. Ivy, 801 sales, doing well. No banner again, I would say. Good responses, star seller, on vacation. This is a really good opportunity to kind of take a note about putting stores on vacation on Etsy. Etsy is all about momentum. If you put your store on vacation, you lose that momentum, and it'll take 2 to 4 weeks to get back up to where your sales were before you put it onto vacation. So this was set up about 5 days ago. Maybe it just got overwhelmed or something like that. I don't know what's up. But hey, again, talking about if you get overwhelmed in a store, that is the time to outsource some of the stuff. So like if the printing is getting ahead of your machines, or you can't keep up with new orders if you're a new seller. I can't tell if it's a new seller. Let's see here. More info. Good reviews. The most recent reviews come through in the last couple of weeks or so. That's about what you would expect. Let's see here. Most recent reviews. Yeah, just a couple days ago. So they were shipping up until just like 3 days ago. So it's a very recent break on the 13th. Yeah, so all these other items arrived afterwards. I'm going to go ahead and look at this. See if I can look at this listing. The listing is hidden. Oh, I want to see item details. Here we go. Okay, so it's on break, so I can't purchase this right now. But this item, this is a cool item. This is a toy organizer. Oh, this is nifty because this wouldn't exist any other way without 3D printing. This is a really good product. Limited color options, looks like. That's good. People don't need 50 color options. Really good reviews of this item. Recent reviews of this item. Obviously, I just pulled it there. Oh, this is great. This is a thing that can only exist with printing because no one else would make it otherwise. But it's something that could be very profitable. They're selling it for $13. The cost to produce something like this through our print-on-demand app would be like maybe 5 to 6, and then you have shipping on top. But shipping is billed to the customer. So this is the type of item that you could have completely passive, where you plug it into like the Shopify app, and then it's printed and shipped to the customers directly there. All of that can be done there. These photos are good. There's a video here reviewing it. But look at this. This is a very specific type of need. Look. Oh, wait. Oh, I can't pause it. Look at the top. There's a little nub on that so they don't slide off. That is brilliant. That is really good design. It's also very manufacturable, has no steep overhangs. The product design of this is actually really, really good. Oh, very good work. That's great. I love to see that kind of stuff. And then you can see all of these photos. None of these are white background photos. They're all in context. They're all really, really nice. Oh, this is great. And yeah, a little bit of a logo on the side there to keep it safe. Printed in black. Great stuff. And you can buy a whole mess of them or not. This is a really good listing. And like the listing says, it's for Love Every Chunky Puzzle. Oh, Love Every. Love Every is a local company here in my hometown of Boise here. So that's cool. Good details about where it was, and then links to other products. Oh yeah, this is good. Love Every Accessories. This is really good because it's searchable too. Yes, this targets a very specific group of people. Oh, this is really, really good stuff. But yeah, very good store. Again, put a banner image in there, but a great example of good 3D printed product design, good niche selection, and overall good presentation of stuff. And you can see right here that it's in 5 carts. A number of people are probably going to buy this in the next few days.